In continuation, I am going to explain the next important reaction of carbon's compound, that is taste for saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. As you know, the saturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons with single covalent bond between two carbon atoms. As for example, this is saturated hydrocarbon because single covalent bond is present between two carbon atoms. Another one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. It means hydrocarbon with double or triple covalent bond between two carbon atoms, like this. This is the unsaturated hydrocarbon which contains double bond between two carbon atoms, and this is the unsaturated hydrocarbon which contains triple covalent bond between two carbon atoms. So the common name is alkane. You know it. This is alkene, E-N-E-E, which represent the double bond, and the third one is alkyne, Y, which represent the triple covalent bond between the two carbon atoms. How we can test the presence of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon? There are two tests given in your NCERT book. Number one is bromine water test, which is an addition reaction. Clear? Since the single covalent bond is strongest bond with respect to double and triple. So in double bond, the second bond is weaker bond, and in triple bond, the two other bonds are weaker bond with respect to single bond. Bromine water is a brown colored water in which bromine gas, which is brown colored gas, is dissolved. When we take bromine water in a test tube or saturated or unsaturated hydrocarbon in a test tube, and as we add the given compound in the test tube, if it is unsaturated, there a reaction takes place which is known as addition reaction, and gradually the color of bromine water is decolorized. The color of brown color of bromine water is decolorized. But when we add alkane, there is no addition reaction and there is no decolorization of this bromine water. This is such how we can differentiate the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. We can write this in the form of equation like this. What is this? This is ethene. When we add bromine, so bromine broken down into its bromide ion, and this bond, the second covalent bond is weaker bond, it breaks and bromine added here like this. Like this. So the brown color of bromine is decolorized. This is how we can differentiate alkane with alkene, ethane with ethane. Any type of questions may be given in the board examination. but you have to identify alkane, alkene and alkyne, and this is how we can differentiate between the alkane, alkene and alkyne. Okay, if we take alkane here and simply we add bromine water, there is no reaction and there is no change in the color of bromine solution. Okay, the second reaction we can take from combustion. In combustion reaction, we know that alkane burned with blue flame, but unsaturated hydrocarbon burned with yellow flame. So we can differentiate by burning the given compound, the given hydrocarbon, but it is not exact shows the color, because sometimes the mixtures is denatured by the addition of the different type of compound. So if in your examination the question is given how you can differentiate saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon, how you can differentiate ethane from ethene, ethane from ethyne and so on. So if 1 mark question is given in your examination, write only and only this reaction, that one is bromine water taste. But if it is asked that write 2 differences or the 2 tastes, how you can differentiate between the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon, only and only then you write these 2. Number 1 is bromine water taste, it is very important, and the second one is combustion, because alkane burn with blue flame and alkene and alkyne, it means unsaturated hydrocarbon burn with yellow flame. That's it. But once again I am telling you, if it is 1 mark question or you have to write only 1 taste, write only and only bromine water taste, and if you have to write the 2 tastes, half of marks it will be given, then write bromine water taste and combustion. This is all about taste for saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. In next video I will complete the rest of the equations. Thank you.